Meta has announced that its Llama AI models will now be accessible to U.S. government agencies and defense contractors. This decision marks a significant shift in Meta's policy concerning the military use of its open-source AI technology. In collaboration with tech and defense giants like Amazon, Microsoft, Palantir, Lockheed Martin, and Oracle, Meta plans to integrate Llama into government operations. This partnership aims to enhance national security applications through advanced AI solutions. Break time. To listen to the new job opportunities in the artificial intelligence field. Initial implementations include Oracle using Llama to streamline aircraft documentation analysis for quicker repairs. Scale AI is also involved in refining Llama for improved mission planning and threat analysis capabilities. This change in policy is noteworthy, as Meta previously restricted Llama's use in military, warfare, or espionage contexts. Meta's decision to allow such applications represents a significant policy exception. The timing of this policy shift is intriguing, particularly following reports of Chinese military researchers utilizing an older version of Llama 2 for developing defense applications. This suggests a response to international developments in AI. Meta presents this decision as a pivotal move to establish open standards in AI. The company argues that U.S. models should lay the groundwork for the future of global AI development. The introduction of AI into government and military domains was anticipated. However, the decision's timing is significant, given the recent reports concerning Chinese military uses of AI technology. This development, alongside OpenAI's growing involvement with government initiatives, is likely to spark debates. Questions may arise regarding the impact of tech and industry influences on national security strategies. Meta's decision reflects broader trends in AI's integration into public sector functions, especially concerning defense. The company's collaboration with major tech and defense firms highlights the strategic importance of AI in these areas. By making Llama available for national security, Meta is taking a bold step toward redefining the role of open-source AI in governmental applications. This move may influence similar decisions by other tech companies. The partnership with industry leaders emphasizes a shared commitment to leveraging AI for national security purposes. It showcases the potential benefits of combining AI expertise with strategic governmental needs. As AI continues to evolve, Meta's decision will likely set a precedent for future collaborations between tech companies and government entities. The implications of this policy shift could reshape the landscape of AI in national security.